Just organized it in a nice little bag. But either way, got the Purell. We got chapstick. Always need chapstick. Obviously, it's cold for your mouth. In the winter, you're having a problem lighting a fire. You could actually use this to light a fire. It burns really good. What else? Got a little flashlight in here. What a ridiculously long lanyard on it. I mean, you can do whatever. Just put it around your neck. So, it's a Streamline MicroStream. Streamline MicroStream. And you just depress it. You just hold it down. Obviously. That's it. Little tiny light. So, what else? We got this guy. Probably gonna think I'm nuts. We got this guy.